Every record is identified by a unique ID, which is called Salesforce.com ID. They exist in two different forms, 15-digit case-sensitive form and 18-digit case-insensitive form. There are three ways you can find the ID of a record. You can open the record and see the ID in the browser, or you can run a report, or you can even export the data using the data loader tool. The first two options give out a 15-digit ID, and the data loader always gives out an 18-digit ID. Let me quickly open some random record. This is the 15-digit case-sensitive ID of this record. When you export this record using the data loader, it gives out an 18-digit ID, which is case-insensitive. It is the same ID in two different forms. I would like to make a small note here. The data loader tool accepts record IDs in 15-digit and 18-digit format. If you need to, you can also convert a 15-digit ID to an 18-digit using a tool, which is available as a Chrome plugin. You might not really need this, but if you need to, here is the URL.